today we are going to be making a little hand drum. Okay, so things you need are this little cardboard spool. Because it was pretty boring and didn't have a lot on it, I just put over some tape to make it look better. You also need 2 wooden beads that have a little hole in it, a wooden stick, 2 little pieces of ribbon, and a glue gun and glue stick. That's everything, so let's get started. Okay, so first take your spool and your wooden stick, and we're going to make a hole right at the bottom. There we go. Okay, now that the hole is pushed in, push it all the way to the bottom. Line it up so it's straight, just like a lollipop. And seal the edges and glue it up. Okay, there we go. Now all the glue's in there, we're just going to let it dry. Put that to the side. Okay, now we're going to grab our ribbon and our beads. Put a tiny bit of glue in the bead, and quickly before it dries, place the ribbon inside. There we go. Now just let that dry. Now that that is drying, oops, oh my god, it's flying. Woo, it's flying. Okay, now let's do the same to the other one. Okay, there we go. Now that they're both in there, this should be dry by now. Yes, it is. We're going to poke 2 little holes on the sides right here so we can place the ribbon in. There we go. Holes are in. Now we are going to pinch it so it's tiny, stick it in the hole. Now we'll measure so the bead, when we twirl the stick, it'll hit the middle. Right now it's hitting way over to the side. So we're gonna put it in a bit more. There we go, now it's pretty much in. Bit more. Really get it in there. There we go. Okay, that's pretty good. Now, let's glue it up. And glue the other one in on the same side. On the other side. Okay, there we go. Now that these 2 are glued in, I'm not going to try it yet. There you go. Now let's go check it out. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed making that little hand drum and the little noise, the little titter-tatter that it makes. Amazing noise. Thank you so much for watching again, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.